All right, let's start. What snacks do you like to eat?
Mostly I like to eat Lays.
Hmm.
Usually I cook snacks in my home. Personally, I love to eat potato snacks, and I also love to eat burgers and some special type of pizzas like uh,
Okay,
we
some
got
special type of pizzas. Good.
yeah
Now, every sentence said something different.
yeah.
So you need to say one thing in one sentence, elaborate on that, and then try to conclude that. Let's go
Oh.
on. Did you often eat snacks when you were a child?
Yeah, I had eaten a lot of snacks in my childhood. I ate most type of burgers, like zinger burgers. I had been eating since my childhood these type of burgers, and currently I love to eat Lays, like potatoes snacks, and
Okay, that's good. So at the end, there should be proper conclusion.
yeah.
When do you usually eat snacks now?
Usually I love to eat snacks whenever I have a gathering with my friends. I have a party, a little party in my home, like some type of burgers we cook at my homes, and I love to cook burgers.
All right.
Yeah.
Do you like to cook burgers in pressure cooker?
No, I
We
I
don't
make
cook
burgers on.
Yeah, you make burgers.
I make burgers.
Yeah, you don't cook burgers.
Yeah.
Okay, then you say I cook sandwiches
No, no.
also. 10 minutes pressure. They're very good. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Overall, it's fine. You just need to go through all these topics so that
Yeah.
you become fluent.
Yes.
And when you answer, say one thing, elaborate,
Yes.
and then conclude that very thing.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank
Now let's go on. It's your turn, please. Do you like singing?
Yes, I love singing because it's my profession. I am a professional singer before my childhood.
See,
So
I have been a professional singer since my childhood.
since my childhood, to answer your question, yes, I love music.
Okay. Have you ever learned how to sing?
Yes, I have to learn some kinds of music like pop music, a rapper. So yes,
Okay, whenever they ask you question in present perfect tense, have you ever learned? First sentence will be present perfect, after that past simple. For example, have you ever learned how to sing? Yes, of course, I've got proper training about singing. 1 year ago, I attended a course, and there was a course for singers, and I participated very well in that course. So yes, I have attended some seminars and workshops about singing as well, right? First sentence present perfect and then past tense. Okay. Well, do you think singing can bring happiness?
yes, it's makes happy for everyone because some types of people they love music because they feel relaxed and feel a good. So some people
Okay, just associate singing with happiness. Do you think singing can bring happiness? Yes, why not? People usually sing when they are happy. Yes, some people sing when they are sad also, but mostly people sing whenever they are happy, and I think it is the natural expression. Whenever you are happy, you love to sing, something like that. Okay, now this chiku down, mask down, mask. You have issues with that? Okay, now sing a song. You're a professional singer, just a little. She's giving music also. Come on, just 1 to 2 lines.
but I don't like music.
Oh, you said you. Chal chuta. Okay, thank you so much.